Rub the roof of your mouth. You can also trigger a sneeze by rubbing the roof of your mouth with the tip of your tongue. All you have to do is press the tip of your tongue to the top of your mouth and slide it as far as possible until you find the exact spot that triggers a sneeze. Why this works? The trigeminal nerve also runs along the roof of your mouth. And rubbing the roof of your mouth with your tongue can stimulate this nerve and induce sneezing. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.